In an extremely rare discovery in South Korea, paleontologists have found a set of tiny footprints from the Cretaceous period containing well-preserved traces of a dinosaur skin. The prints were made by a blackbird-sized Minisauropus, the smallest known theropod, and each measured just an inch long. While less than 1% of tracks still contain skin traces, paleontologists say skin impressions were found all throughout the footprints from the site near Jinju City. These are the first tracks ever found where perfect skin impressions cover the entire surface of every track, says Martin Lockley, Professor Emeritus of Geology at the University of Colorado Denver. The tracks were first identified by Kyung-Soo Kim, Ph.D., of Jinju National University of Education, and are now the subject of a new paper published to the journal Scientific Reports. According to the team, this is the 10th discovery of Minisauropus tracks and the first containing traces of skin. And they were almost overlooked. Kim spotted the first track in a broken slab during large-scale excavations, and was then able to identify 4 more. The tracks were made on a very thin layer of fine mud, rather like a coat of fresh paint only a millimeter thick, Lockley said. The analysis suggests a rain shower occurred just before the tracks were made, creating freshwater drop impressions that the tiny dinosaur stepped right into. Then, it was all covered up by mud. The researchers say the texture of the dinosaur skin is much like sandpaper, but with tiny, half-millimeter wide scales arranged like a woven fabric. A similar pattern can be seen in the tracks of larger, carnivorous theropods found at other sites, the team notes. The Minisauropus skin is essentially a shrunken version of the larger relatives. This is the ultimate secret of skin care, Lockley says.